I use a lot of this packing tape. I like this better than duct tape. It sticks better. So I use a lot of this, and it's a lot cheaper. I buy like 4 rolls at a time. But if this end of the tape falls back down on the roll, you can spend a lot of time trying to find that edge of the tape. So what I do is I cut this with scissors, and I put my finger underneath it right here, and then cut across here, right there, so that now I'm holding with my finger the end of the tape. What I do then is put a paper clip on the end of the tape so that it doesn't stick back on the roll, and I can find it real easy. And there it is on the end of the roll. It doesn't stick and easy to find.